Veggies, fruits, nuts and seeds, put them in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so be vegan and open up your heart.
Look, I'm not recommending that you go and shop here at Walmart, but I know you guys are going to do it anyway, so I'm going to show you some of the stuff that you can choose that's vegan, okay? Millet is vegan. Olives are vegan. Eat this veggie. It's leek. You can make it into a delicious soup. Just Google how. Eat almonds. Eat pecans. Eat toasted corn. Eat flax seeds. Eat cashews. Eat peanuts. Eat pistachios. Eat walnuts. Buy white kidney beans. Buy pinto beans. Buy yellow split peas. Buy red lentils. Buy green lentils. Buy red kidney beans. Buy chickpeas. Buy this, it's already pre-selected. It's already made to go into soup. Buy this, it's barley. Buy this, it's almond milk. Try this kind of oat milk. Try this kind of soy milk. Pickles are vegan. Sauerkraut is vegan. These kind of crackers are vegan. These kind of crackers are vegan. Be careful though. Not all of this brand are vegan. Some of them contain cheese, so don't get mixed up. These kind of crackers are vegan. These kind of crackers are vegan. These rice crackers are vegan. No, 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 no. Chia seeds are vegan. Hemp seeds are vegan. These kind of flax seeds are also vegan. Just make sure you grind them before you eat them. Buy vegan cheese. It's cruelty-free. No animals had to die in order to make this cheese. Try some lemonade. It's vegan. Try this hummus. It's also vegan. My favorite kind of chip is salt and vinegar. Sometimes they contain milk, but not these ones. Look, check the back with me. See? Yummy. Nice treat. Strawberries? Of course they're vegan. Blueberries? They're vegan. Raspberries? Yep, they're vegan. So I wouldn't buy these kind of cereals because they have a lot of sugar, but they are vegan. So if you really want to get them, go ahead. Don't buy this. It's not vegan. You see, it contains beef gelatin. Anytime you see gelatin, it means it's the ligaments and tendons of innocent animals ground up. Don't buy anything with gelatin. Don't buy this. It's not vegan. But Hellmann's does have a vegan version. I just don't see it here today. Don't buy this. This is an animal who didn't want to die. It's not right to pay for their rape, torture, and murder. Buy the vegan version of any kind of meat that you see. Don't buy this. Don't hurt animals. Don't take them out of their homes. Animals are sentient beings and have a right to live, even if they're shrimp. Don't buy bacon. Bacon is a 6-month-old pig who died begging for their life. Never buy meat. Don't buy babies. These are ribs from a baby cow. Don't buy animals. Buy the vegan versions instead. Don't buy ham. Ham comes from a cycle of violence. Pigs are so badly treated in the industry and are murdered just like the Jews were in gas chambers. Don't buy meat. Buy the vegan versions instead. Chickens have a right to live. They are some of the most abused animals on the planet. There are twice as many chickens as there are humans on the planet, and the reason you don't see them is because they live in Holocaust-like conditions, hidden from your view. Don't buy innocent animals. Let the animals live. This is vegan. Buy this. These are vegan. Buy this. Salad is vegan. Buy this. Don't buy this. This is a lie. Cows do not want to give their babies up so that you can steal their milk. Mother cows are raped in the industry. Never buy the dairy lie. Buy the vegan versions instead of any kind of cheese. This might look like cute packaging, but don't buy this. This comes from a cycle of violence. Don't hurt cows. Don't rape their mothers, force them to be pregnant, steal their babies, and then steal their milk. This is wrong. If you wouldn't want somebody to chop you in 1,000,000 pieces and stick you in a fridge in a store, then don't do it to innocent animals. These animals have a right to live. Pigs, chickens, cows, turkeys, lambs, all animals have a right to live. Don't buy these products. Don't buy murder. No, 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 no. Halal meat is still murder. The animals suffer terribly. Don't believe the lie. Don't buy halal meat. No, 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 no. Do you see it? There are not that many of us who are vegan yet, but you get used to spotting it in among the dead animals. Look, here it is. If you need a sign to remind you to be vegan, here it is. Beyond Burgers, 20 grams of protein per serving. Buy this instead. Live your life with integrity. Don't hurt the innocent animals. Leave them out of their misery. Save them. And look here, more. Here's another brand, Light Life. Plant-based burgers. Nobody gets hurt. Everyone wins. Look, here's more. These are sausages. They might not look that good when you see them here, but I've had them and they're really delicious. Buy these instead. Don't buy murder. Be kind. Be vegan. Buy vegan meat. Buy this. It's vegan. You don't have to hurt animals to have a delicious breakfast. Look, doesn't that look good? Yeah, and you'll feel so much better knowing you're not paying for murder. Thank you for being vegan, or at least as vegan as possible. These are vegan. These are vegan. These are vegan. These are vegan. Avocados are vegan. Green peppers are vegan. Red peppers are vegan. Yellow peppers are vegan.
Okay. They made a mistake with that.
Brussels sprouts are vegan. Now I know you may not like them, but there are so many recipes online. Google how to make them in your oven. They can be really delicious. Buy this. It's vegan. Buy some tempeh. It's vegan. Be brave, be vegan. Start now. Potatoes are vegan. Eat this veggie. It's asparagus. It's packed with nutrients and it can be delicious. Just Google a recipe for it. You got this. Eat dates. They're a great sweetener. You can grind them down and put them in your coffee, in your cereal, in your oatmeal. They can be a great sugar replacer. These are the kind we buy. No, 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 no. Find the vegan versions. Keep looking. No, 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 no. Drink soy milk. Don't buy this kind of yogurt. This comes from the dairy industry. No, no. Keep looking. Look everywhere, and definitely don't buy eggs. Eggs come from a cycle of violence. Poor, innocent animals suffering in closed, confined conditions, their babies ripped away. They murder chickens at such a young age. Never buy eggs. Go to egg-truth.com to learn the truth. Here we go. We found it. Look, this is all kinds of frozen meat that you can buy. It's veggie meat. No one has to die. Look, all kinds. Sausages. They've got a veggie burger here. They've got meatless burgers up here. Look at that. All kinds. If you find this brand Eve's or Gardein, you know you're okay. Look at this. This is meat-free, a fajita bowl. And here you've got barbecue wings. Yummy. Look at that. Tons of options here. Chicken strips, crabless cakes, even pork bites. And look, here's some pizza. If you see this brand, you know you're okay. Some people pronounce it Daya, some people say Daya, but if you see it, go for it. Yummy, yummy. And look, more over there. See? Frozen peas are vegan. These mixed veggies are vegan. Frozen spinach, that's vegan. Don't forget frozen corn, that's vegan. And so is butternut squash. Drink soy milk. This is the kind we buy, unsweetened. Look at all this. Lots and lots of choices. They're in different places in the store, so you just gotta look around. There's coconut milk here, some more soy, almond coconut, all kinds, even chocolate. But they're all vegan, so don't worry. Okay, when you look hard enough, you can find the vegan cheese. Remember I told you about this brand? Daya, or Daya, however you want to pronounce it. And they got more. BioLife cream cheese here, and this one here, all kinds. Just avoid anything that has dairy. Always look for brands like Daya and Silk, and you're okay. All right, we found the vegan ice cream right here. Check it out. Ben & Jerry's, non-dairy. This is great. Get the non-dairy kind and you're good to go. They also have Haagen-Dazs. Look, non-dairy. It's delicious. And this one, Magnum. And ketchup, of course, is vegan. Get whichever kind you want. Just don't eat it too often. It has a lot of salt and a lot of sugar. Eat pumpkin seeds. Eat sunflower seeds. These kind of Cheerios, they're vegan. Buy this, it's vegan. It doesn't have any milk chocolate in it, so it's perfectly fine. So thank you guys for spending a little bit of time with me and looking at the different vegan options here at Walmart. Now, like I said, I don't go here very often, but I know you guys do, so at least now you know what you can choose. Thanks a lot for being here. Now, coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. Go ahead and click on them. Be curious. Look around that Vegan Teacher site. There are over 1,000 videos that you can choose from. Thanks again for doing your best to be as vegan as possible. Bye. See you in the next video.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.